There is something special about Christmas, not in the stores, not in the crowds, but in the quiet corners of our homes, where decorations are born from hands, not from price tags, where warmth comes from hearts, not from glitter. This is the story of a simple Christmas, a Christmas made of pine cones, memories, and gentle light. Winter had just arrived, the air outside had a soft chill, and the evenings seemed to grow quieter. In a small cozy home, a family gathered. They did not have much to spend this year, but they had time, they had love, and they had a little brick basket of pine cones collected from a nearby park. The youngest child held one up and said, "Can we decorate with these?" And that was where Christmas truly began. The finally sat together around the table, no fancy tools, no expensive decor, just pine cones, jute rope, a bit of white paint, and a small string of fairy lights. Sometimes beauty comes from simplicity. They painted the tips of the pine cones white, like tiny snowflakes resting gently on each petal. They tied jute rope around them, some of hang on the tree, some to place in bowls, some to lay softly on window shelves. As they worked, they talked about memories of last Christmas, about people they loved, about little joy that makes the heart glow. And slowly the pine cones began to shine. That evening, the home felt different, not because of new things, but because of the care placed into every corner. On the table, they placed wooden tray inside. They scattered pine cones, added a few fairy lights, and set one candle on the corner. The room glowed gently, warm, golden, peaceful. Near the window, they hung a small branch tied with rope holding small pine cone ornaments. When the wind moved the curtains, the pine cones swayed softly like bells. The Christmas tree was small, but it did not need to be big. They placed pine cone between its branches, mixed with dried orange slices and tiny boughs. It looked like a forest Christmas, natural, calm, and full of heart. Christmas is not about bigger, it's about warmer, not about more, but about meaning. As the lights glowed, the family sat together, wrapped in blankets, holding warm cups of tea and cocoa. There was laughter, there was quiet conversation, there was peace. The house did not look like the pictures in magazine, but it felt like home, a home where loved live in every decoration, even the smallest pine cone. Later that night, the little child whispered, "We made Christmas ourselves," and the mother smiled, placing her hand gently in the child's head and said, "Yes, Christmas is something we create, not something we buy." The pine cones, once simple and unnoticed, had become symbols of togetherness. They held memories now, memories of laughter, of paint, stained fingers, of warm light in a quiet room, and that is a magic no store can sell. So, when you decorate your home this Christmas, remember the beauty is simplicity. Pick up what nature gives you, craft with your hands, laugh with someone you love. Let the glow come softly, let the season be gentle, let your home feel alive with handmade. Feel alive with handmade warmth. Because Christmas is not found in things, Christmas is found in moments, in the soft sparkle of fairy lights, in the scent of pine and cinnamon, in a small conversation shared under a warm blanket, in the humble pine cone that remind us love is enough. So, so my viewers and my friends and my subscriber, thank you so much for joining this cozy Christmas moment. May your home shine with warmth. May your heart be filled with peace and your X-Max be gentle, handmade, and full of love. Your home full of creativity and happiness, togetherness, and many more. You want to have in your life, because Xmas is not found in things. It found in moments. It is a soft sparkle of fairy lights and cinnamon smell and a beautiful get together with loved ones, in a small conversation shared under a warm environment in the humble pinecone that remind us love is enough. Thank you be a part of this video. Thank you for joining me and watch till the end. Thank you for joining this Xmas moment. May your home shine with warmth. May your heart full of happiness, togetherness, and may your holiday be gentle, handmade, and full of love, full of creativity. Keep